Hello YouTube, today we're going to be taking a look at the Pittsburgh Pro 35-piece socket set from Harbor Freight. It's going to be a quick look of what's included in this set. So it comes with this little foam protective piece. And this is a standard and metric socket set. Let's see, it comes with shallow sockets and deep sockets. This side is metric, side is standard, and the deep sockets are also standard size. The ratchet itself is a 72 tooth ratchet, which is really good. It has two spark plug sockets, 5/8 and a 3/16. And a couple extension boards, 6-inch and 3-inch, and the universal joint. These are all the sockets that are included. The shallow sockets are 12 point and the deep sockets are 6 point. The case itself is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And it has a nice handlebar. I bought this set for around 30 bucks. And I think for the price, that's a really good deal. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer it.